Yo, what if I told you your emotional intelligence is your secret weapon, but only if you use it right? Here's how to stop letting toxic people drain your energy and start leveling up. 78% of people in their late 20s to mid 30s feel emotionally drained by fake friends, messy relationships, and online drama. And here's the kicker: misery loves company. Negative people will try to drag you down because your light exposes their darkness. But guess what? You don't gotta let them. Let me show you how to use emotional intelligence to protect your energy and glow up. A few years ago, I was the therapist friend. Everybody and their mama was hitting me up with their problems, and I thought I was helping. But then I realized something. I was giving away my energy to people who didn't deserve it. I was so busy fixing others that I forgot to protect myself. Sound familiar? Let me show you how I flipped the script and how you can too. Here's the tea. Misery loves company ain't just a saying, it's a whole vibe. Negative people thrive on dragging others down because it makes them feel less alone in their mess. Online toxicity. Social media is a whole circus. Studies show that 65% of people feel drained by negative interactions online, according to the Journal of Social Media Psychology. Emotional contagion. Energy is contagious. Being around negative people can lower your mood and energy by 30%, according to the Journal of Experimental Psychology. Energy vampires. Some folks stay feeding off your emotional energy, leaving you feeling zapped, according to Psychology Today. But here's the good news. You can protect your energy and use emotional intelligence to thrive. Here's 5 solutions to set emotional and mental boundaries and why they work. Step 1, spot the fakes. Knowing who's real and who's fake cuts the drama by 50%, according to the Journal of Behavioral Therapy. Pay attention to how people make you feel. If you're constantly drained, it's a red flag. Step 2, be a gray rock. By staying unbothered, you stop toxic people from feeding off your energy. This method reduces emotional manipulation by 40%, according to Psychology Today. Keep it cool with energy vampires. Don't give them the reaction they're fishing for. Step 3, set boundaries. Like a boss. Boundaries protect your energy and boost your mental health. People with strong boundaries report 60% less stress, according to the American Psychological Association. Say no without guilt. Protect your time and energy like it's your last dollar. Step 4, clean up your social media. Cutting out toxic accounts improves mental health by 35%, according to Journal of Social Media Psychology. Unfollow or mute the haters. Curate your feed to inspire, not drain you. Step 5, vibe with the right people. Positive relationships boost your happiness and resilience by 50%, according to a Harvard study on adult development. Aim to be intentional about surrounding yourself with people who inspire and uplift you. Your brain can rewire itself. Every time you set a boundary or practice emotional intelligence, you're building new, positive vibes. Studies show that people with strong boundaries are 3 times more likely to achieve their goals. Good energy broadens your thinking and builds resilience, making it easier to handle stress. Having emotional intelligence ain't about fixing everyone else. It's about protecting your energy so you can thrive. The key is to use your emotional intelligence to empower yourself, not exhaust yourself. Ask yourself, am I giving my energy to people who deserve it, or am I letting it get stolen? If this hit home, hit that like button and subscribe for more real talk about emotional intelligence, boundaries, and living your best life. Drop a comment below. What's one boundary you're setting this week to protect your energy? Let's build a community of people who are ready to level up and stop being drained by toxic energy.